Yeah, good to see you again. How are you doing?
It's a little picture.
Excellent.
It's a picture. You have to open it.
So everybody knows.
Not bad luck.
You are all of us. We'll picture
Everybody needs to come look at this. I made a comment the other day that at the Wildlife Center it was raining baby bears. Look inside here at all the baby bears.
Are the numbers on them?
Oh yeah.
There are numbers on them. Somebody's got too much time on their hands. I've all been raining $100 bills.
Oh no, you haven't.
Oh, that's hysterical. Can I keep the umbrella?
This is for the wildlife center, not for you
They
alone.
didn't say it, I said it.
A man and all can use it too.
Oh, well, if they're ever in my car, they'll be welcome to use it.